Hello, driving intelligence community. Taking a break from working on cars and boats and going back into don't replace it, fix it. Although this is a restoration of a classic 1960s bike, a Roadmaster, and it just looked like it needed to be brought back to life. So I'm doing a lot of work on trying to bring the chrome back. Chrome hides underneath a lot of rust, and with a lot of elbow grease and some 4/0 steel wool, you can make some amazing accomplishments. So I'm going to take you through that. This is part one of this. Maybe I'll have a couple more parts after this series, after I get the bike completely painted and reassembled, to show you how it turned out. It's a beautiful classic. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, give me that thumbs up.